Hello, welcome to orthoimage from point cloud tutorial. So with the latest update, orthophoto or orthoimage can now also be calculated from a point cloud. In order to calculate the orthophoto, you can simply click on orthophoto, calculate new, and now as an input set a point cloud. The last thing you need to set up is the desired resolution, which we will now set to 1 centimeter, and press calculate. After a few seconds, our orthophoto is calculated. A custom plane orthophoto can also be calculated from a point cloud. In order to calculate an orthophoto of this facade, select first the plane that we will be calculating the orthophoto for, and then manipulate the extents of that plane. Like that, for example. And press calculate. And there you have it. Here we have our facade orthophoto. Thank you for your attention.